Morning students, today we are going to learn how to fill NCC form for JD/JW. But before filling the form, we required some of the things. For that, we must know what are those things. We required a photograph to be pasted on the first page of the form, and you have to give two envelopes with it containing 5 photographs in each envelope. The photograph must be in NCC shirt and with name. If you don't have NCC shirt, you can go and ask the photographer to change the color of your shirt into dark gray. Some of the things that you required more are a copy of Aadhaar card, bank passbook, and mark sheet of class 8th. Mark sheet of class 8th. So let's understand how to fill the NCC form. So students, when you find out the form or when you got the form, let's see how to fill the form. Now as you see in this, the first is name in block letters. First of all, you have to attach a passport size photograph in NCC uniform without cap. This is the important thing, without cap. Then you have to fill the name, your nationality, Indian, date of birth. Then your father's name. Please leave one space between your first name and second name and third name. Then mother's name. Then you have to fill the address. Leave the gap. Then your mobile number. Then your email address. After that, the 8th point is blood group. Then whether you are male or female, you can fill it over here. The next one is your railway station nearby your city or your town or your village. The nearest police station. The education qualification is 8th pass and the percentage you got in your class 8th. Then identification mark, at least 2. As I have a scar on my forehead, I have written it like this. The next is the 14th point is, have you ever been convicted by a criminal court? The answer is no. So students, name, nationality, date of birth, father name, mother name, permanent address, mobile number, and email address, blood group, sex, near station, police station, education, identification mark, and the 4th one is no. Now on the next, the 15th one, name the institution and the stream. So institution is OP Jindal Modern School, Hisar. You can write Hisar also. Willing to enroll? Yes. Unit name, number 1 Haryana Air Squadron NCC, NO1 HAR Air SQN NCC. Then have you ever enrolled? No. Have you ever been dismissed? No. Then name of kin with address with relationship and telephone number as applicable. Now here you have to write the name of your father and the relation father and the phone number. Then your bank detail, IFSC code and the bank name. IFSC code and the bank name and bank account of your father. Then you have to fill the Aadhaar card, and this PAN card is optional. If you have PAN card, fill it. If you don't have, then leave it. Write down NA. Then over here you have to write the date, your signature. First 2 pages are completed. Now the next is declaration to accept the enrollment. Now here your name, then read it carefully. Then third is I further promise that after enrollment I have no claim on authorities to compensate the event of injury and death due to the accident during the training camps. And here your signature of the applicant, means of the student. Now here it is for your father. The name of your father, promise that enrollment of my son, daughter, what I will not complain or authorities for any compensation in the event of injury or death due to the accident during the training. So here is the signature of your parents. The next one is, this is not for you. The next one is important. To be completed by medical officer before enrollment. I have examined your name, कब हुआ है आपका examination, and after that the signature of the doctor with its stamp. It is important. If you will not complete this, or a signature without stamp, it is not valid. Then extension, this is not for you, so leave it. The next one is nomination. Here I, name of the cadet, then name of your father, name of your institution, on the date when you are enrolled. Over here it is written 3rd Battalion NCC, but you are in number 1 Haryana Air Squadron NCC. My father, mother occupation is private, salaried, businessman, and whatever it is. And annual income 2 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, whatever it is. Then over here, and first write down your father's name, it's his age, and 50%. Mother's name, age, mother, and 50%. You can write your permanent address also. Then your signature. Over here you have to write the date and place. And the next, section 3, again the important word. I am allowing my son and daughter your name to become an NCC cadet. Hisar, signature of your father. Signature of your father with its complete address. Now these two witnesses must have their office seal. It may be a lecturer, it may be a doctor, it may be your municipal council, it may be anyone who is having the office seal. Office seal. It is written, witness should be gazetted officer, head of the institution, ANO, sarpanch, village head. So this part is again important. If you will not get a signature with seal, it is invalid. And your form is completed. So students, I hope you are able to understand how to fill the form. Students, please learn how to fill it and don't make any correction or cutting in a form. So students, I hope you are able to understand how to fill NCC form for JD, JW. Keep yourself safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.